In this video, we are going to talk about how to get a green card for F1 student visa. Visit us at Swat&Vee channel with your questions to see how best we can help you out with your process. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Let's get into the video. The F1 student visa is a single intent visa, which means you agree to come to the United States to study and then return to your home country once your studies are over. This means that an F1 visa is not a direct path to a green card, and you cannot enter the US on the F1 visa with the intent to gain lawful permanent residency. However, there are a few paths you can follow after an F1 visa that would lead to a green card. Let's know about these paths. 1. Change status to a dual intent visa. The F1 visa is not a dual intent visa. So if you are looking to eventually get your green card, one of the options to do this is to change your status from the F1 visa to a dual intent visa, which would be a non-immigrant work visa that allows you to later apply for a green card. Then once you are on a dual intent visa, you can find an employer who will sponsor you for an employment-based green card. 2. Marry a US citizen or lawful permanent resident. Another option to get a green card if you are in the United States on an F1 visa is for people who meet and fall in love with either a US citizen or a lawful permanent resident. Then your spouse can petition for your green card. However, you must remember that there is a 90-day rule that must be followed with the F1 visa. If you enter on F1, you should wait at least 90 days before getting married, or there will be a presumption of immigration fraud and the green card will be denied. Once you clear the 90-day mark, you still must prove to the government that the relationship is legitimate, but there will not be a presumption of immigration fraud. The application process for this case will include filing Form I-130 and Form 485. 3. Receive employer sponsorship. Many students often seek employment through Curriculum Practical Training (CPT) or Optical Practical Training (OPT) while studying in the United States. If you find an employer willing to sponsor you for a green card, this could be done through an EB2 or an EB3 employment-based green card. EB2 visas are for people who receive an offer for a job that requires an advanced degree and holding that degree or a minimum of bachelor's degree and 5 years of progressive job experience. People who possess exceptional ability in the science, business or arts, or people who have a national interest waiver for the position. This process involves an employer filing Form I-140 and getting an approved labor certification from the Department of Labor. On the other hand, the EB3 visa is reserved for skilled workers, professionals, and certain other workers. Similarly, sponsoring employers must file Form I-140 and labor certification. 4. Self-petition as a person of extraordinary ability. Another option to get a green card after a student visa is the EB1 visa for persons with extraordinary abilities. Because F1 visa holders are in the US gaining an education, they generally have the propensity to fit into one of the categories of people that are eligible for an EB1. These categories are outstanding professors and researchers, people with extraordinary abilities in arts, science, business, athletics, or education, and executive managers who have worked at a foreign branch of a US company for the past 3 years. The EB1 visa is unique because an applicant can either self-petition or they can find a job in their field with an employer willing to sponsor them. Evidence to show you meet the requirements for an EB1 includes, but it's not limited to, published papers or research in your field which has been recognized in journals or the media. To get a green card based on an EB1, you must have an approved Form 526 and file to adjust status with an Form 485. I hope you guys found this video extremely helpful. If you know anybody that could benefit from this information, definitely make sure to share this video with them. We are all about empowering you with knowledge. So the more people that can benefit from this video, the more people we want watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs icon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe or hit on the notification bell for more immigration updates. Bye!